Hi, so this is me from today. My hair looks the way it looks, but it's um whatever. I told myself I was going to make a video every day for this week, and I am not going to skip this day. So I am coming to you today to share exciting news. So I am moving. I am going to be moving to Jamaica next month. And this season in my life is a season of transition. And I am really excited about the move. But right now, I have to pick up my life and relocate it. And that is um, kind of a daunting task, but I know that I'm not alone. I know that many Americans are going through this right now, and I thought that I'd share with you the process I'm going through to prep for the move. Um, as you all know, I'm going to use Notion to show you how this is going to be so much easier to manage. But I wanted to start today to talk about just where I'm at. So I'm moving. I have to um, sell as much as I possibly can. Another project is getting my pets ready for the move. Another project is figuring out how I'm going to um, sell off things like my car, things like my um, furniture and decor. I love interior design and I'm a really good collector of furniture. And so I am thinking about sprucing up some stuff to make it better to get a higher price. I might have capacity for that. I have a trip at the end of the month that I'm really excited for. But other than that, the rest of it will be dedicated to prepping for this move. So the series, and the reason why I want to share it with everyone is because right now businesses are going to have to make their own transitions. I'm sure that nobody could, well, let me take that back. Stuff's changing fast no matter whether or not we like it, right? So our businesses, our lifestyles, we have to be as flexible as reality is, as um open and fluid. And you know, we will all be engaged, right? We're all going to get engaged and we're all going to make sure that we understand how to make these types of big shifts. We're going to all understand how to plan out big things that feel kind of colossal. I want to share and be vulnerable about change management and opening up so that you can modernize your business and make it flexible for the lifestyle you want to live. I have been living on my own for the past 5 years, and I am going to be moving back and living with family for a while. I am going to be moving to another country, right? So, how do I make that transition? All of these things are things that can happen, things that will not blow up my life. And I am going to be flexible and I want to model that and I want to show you as we create, you know, we create the space for call it all. We create the strategy and the opportunities that's going to make us be able to do good work from our vantage point. I want us to co create. I am a co creator. I am somebody who is very communal, and it really is important to me to be, as everybody is, right? We're all communal. And that's something that I want to model in my business. And so this is me sharing with the community how I'm handling transition, how I'm prepping for it. So the next couple of days, you'll see some templates, you'll see me going through some stuff. Right now, I am going through old notebooks and entering the stuff on into my Notion. And this is a Doja Cat concert t-shirt, so ignore it. She's gnarly. But I love Doja Cat. I am excited though, because we get to co-create, and I believe that we can always shift things to make things work for us. And this is me shifting my lifestyle to make things work for me. And I want to encourage you to do that too, and to think in terms of possibilities, and think in terms of solutions, and see problems as constraints, or to see things as constraints, but not things that give a definitive no to the kind of lifestyle you want to live. So I am excited. I am nervous, but I think this sets the tone for vulnerability, that shows you the kind of vulnerability that I talk about, the type of vulnerability that I think is so essential to transparency and trust, and working together in business as a whole, which is the foundation of all companies, which is the foundation of all workspace designs. Like, how do you do the work? How do you my dog is trying to eat a ball, and so that is the sound in the background. He's trying to eat his aggressive chewer ball. Um, but he's peaceful, so I will not disturb him. Um, yeah, welcome. Subscribe if you are looking for support in streamlining your processes and planning out a project, to using Notion, as you're seeing me demonstrate. I'm available. But also, as an ADHDer, I know that there's a lot of value in mirroring, and in body doubling, and in just being inspired by other people. So, yeah, watch me figure it out.